In the metals quadrant, the March copper futures was higher for a second straight session and had the strongest percentage up move since December 29th, rising a little bit over 1%. On the high, 78.95, we were up 1.19%. And on the low, 74.30, we were only down about 5 basis points. So it was really pretty much a straight up move, and we ended up settling near the highs, up a little over 1%. Copper certainly did not change its recent downtrend with today's move or with the last 2 days of moves. Looking at copper after today, you still have the industrial metal down 4.47% since the recent high close on December 27th. But copper did end up finishing the week higher by about 1.1%, the first positive week in the last 4, including this week. Now, there was some small upticks in Chinese economic data that has helped copper prices over the last couple of days. On Tuesday night, we got Chinese GDP, which was slightly lower than expected, but their industrial output was higher than expected, and their fixed asset investment was higher than expected, which are more relevant for industrial metals prices. Also, China's foreign direct investment, FDI, through December was revised to minus 0.8%, and that's better than the previously reported minus 10%, so a little bit more strength there. In addition to that, the dollar was lower with that typical inverse relationship. The US dollar was slightly lower in the aggregate despite higher yields today. Yields in the US were up between 1 and 2 basis points across the curve, but the dollar was actually weaker against the Canadian dollar, the euro, the Aussie dollar, and the yen, despite being slightly stronger against a mix of other currencies. So all of that helped to boost copper in its largest move since December 27th on a percentage basis.